Do you see those birds over there? That whole entire gigantor line of birds. Yeah, I see them too. I think at 8 a.m. at the beach in October, the perfect thing to do would be to run through a flock of birds. So I look like shit and I don't have anything better to do but come to the beach in October. Yes, it's California, but it's still fucking cold at 8 a.m. So on a Thursday, you know, like usually people work, I don't do that. I'm gonna go run through that flock of birds. And should I film the birds or myself? I don't really know. I don't want to film myself because I look like crap. Okay, birds. I'm running through the Oh my god, what if they turn around and attack me? Okay. Ah! No, they're turning around! Oh my god, there was so many of them! Ah, exhilaration from disturbing the natural habitats and people of the naturalness. I'm sorry, friends. Can I make peace? I'm coming to make peace with you guys. I'm walking violently towards you to make me stop running away! Fuck. Waves. Not again. Not again. Well, the birds officially hate me. Okay, this one might be really nice. The one that's like closest to me. You might be no, don't. Friend, come on. Friend, do you hear me? Friend, do you hear me? No!